Let us continue slides now. So here the solution of the quadratic equation can be done by three methods. Okay, these three methods, that is factorization, that is given in our syllabus. Okay, so one is factorization method and another one completing the square method and quadratic formula. So these three methods are available in our syllabus to solve a quadratic equation, that is to find out the solution of the quadratic equation. Let us see one by one now. So first one, factorization method. Okay, in this factorization method already you know that in your lower section you learned how can you find out the solution for the quadratic equations using factorization. So factorization method, two methods are available. Okay, one is splitting the middle term. Okay, so you already learned in our lower section, as well as, and another one simple way is nothing but I method. I think every one of you know about I method. How can we solve quadratic equation using I method? So the I method only the way of solving a quadratic equation using the splitting the middle term only. Okay, the splitting the middle term, I method, both are same only almost, right? So here in the first one, okay, so find the roots of the following quadratic equation by factorization. So here roots, the word root is given here. So root is nothing but solution only. Okay, roots or zeros we can call in any other way. So in the polynomial you have seen the word 0. Okay, so 0 means, so 0 and root both are same only. Okay, the solutions of the quadratic equation is nothing but they are called either 0 or roots of the quadratic equation. That's it. Okay, let us see one by one now. So we are going to solve these four quadratic equations through the factorization method. Okay, so first one, look at the first one. As I told earlier, the factorization means splitting the middle term or using I method. Okay, so both are nearly same method only, right? So once again, I just repeat how to find out the square root, how to find out the solution for the quadratic equation using I method. Okay, so in I method, how can you find out means, first we have to multiply the coefficient of x square and the constant and just write it on the top of I. So here 1 is there, so 1 into minus 10, minus 10. So the sign is very important. Here minus is there means you put minus. And the coefficient of x is nothing but in the bottom of I. So the coefficient of x is nothing but here minus 3. So here also the sign is very important. So here plus is there means no need to put plus 3 here. But minus is there means you should put minus in front of the number. Okay. Now you should write the factors of 10. Okay, just list out the factors of 10. So what are the factors of 10 here? So 1 into 10 equal to 10. Then 2 5s are 10. Then other possibilities are there? No. Okay, so only these two are the possible factors of 10. Okay, so out of this, now I am going to choose any one of the factors. Okay, such that they should satisfy the down expression also, that is down number also. That is, when we add or subtract those factors, we will get minus 3. So according to that, you can choose the factors. Is it possible to add or subtract these 1 and 10 will get minus 3? It is not possible. So the only possibility is through these factors only. So 2 and 5. So when we multiply these two, we get plus 10 only, but not minus 10. So here minus is there means in front of any one of these two numbers will get minus symbol. So where we put minus? Either in front of 2 or in front of minus 3. So that is according to the sign of the down number. Here down number is negative, therefore place the minus sign in front of the big number. Okay, so the down number is negative means we can place the negative sign in front of the big number only. Okay, similarly in the top of the number minus is there means any one of the factor will getting minus, not both of the factors. Okay, so when you now check, when you multiply 2 into minus 5, minus 10. So when we add, that means both are different signs, so that we have to subtract. When we subtract, you get minus 3. So it is satisfied, right? So these are the factors of minus 10. And after writing the factors here, so check which number is there in front of x square. So in front of x square, other than one, any other number is there means you can divide it by those number. Okay, otherwise leave it. So in front of x square, 1 only there. so leave it. Okay, now we can add the variable with these two factors, that's it. So here variable is nothing but x, therefore x plus 2 into, so here minus 5 is there, so x minus 5, and equal to 0 is there in the equation, so equal to 0. So next these are the two factors. Okay, next we are going to put the factors individually equal to 0, that is x plus 2 equal to 0, and another one x minus 5 equal to 0, right? So when we transpose to that side, what will happen? So x equal to, so this plus 2 will become minus 2, so that is one of the value of x. Next here x equal to, if we transpose minus 5 right hand side, it will become plus 5, so x equal to 5. So now minus 2 comma 5 are the roots of the equation, or the roots or zeros of the quadratic equation. Okay, if you use the splitting method, means it will become like this, that is x square plus 2x into minus 5x minus 10 equal to 0. If you need to use splitting the middle term, means, that is splitting the middle term method, means you can factorize like this. Okay, and after simplification you get the same answer only, right? Look at the next example. So I method. So in the top of I, which number will come? So multiply these two numbers. So minus 12. See, 2 6 are 12. And the coefficient of x is nothing but here 1, plus 1 only. And write the factors of 12. So factors of 12 is nothing but 6 into 2, 12. And 4 3s are 12. And 12 into 1, 12. Then other than these factors, anything is there? Definitely not possible. So only 3 different factors only there. Suppose if you take this one, means is it possible to get subtract add by getting 1? Definitely not. So it is not possible to write. And what about this one, 12 and 1? It is also not possible. So the possible factor is 4 and 3 only. So 4, 3, right? So in front of there is the top number, minus is there. So you need to put any one of the number with a minus. So how can you put? According to the sign of the down number. In the sign of the down number is plus. So this sign will be the in front of the maximum number only. So here plus means here plus. So the negative is nothing but in front of the small number. And look at the number here in front of x square. That is 2 is there. So we need to divide these factors by 2. So nothing is there, means leave it as in the previous problem. Okay. Now divide it here 1 time, here 2 time. And similarly, is it not possible to divide? So keep as it is. So now add a variable with these factors, now these results. So x plus 2 into, so here x minus 3 by 2 equal to 0. Right? Now put separately 0 here. That is x plus 2 equal to 0. And another one, x minus 3 by 2 equal to 0. So what happened here now? So x, so transpose to that side, it will become minus 2. So that is one of the root of this equation. And here transpose minus 3 by 2 that side, it will become x equal to plus 3 by 2. Right? So these are the two zeros of the given quadratic equation. Look at here. So here also the quadratic equation only. And look at the coefficient of x square and the last term. So they are having irrational coefficients. Whatever it is, we are going to follow the same method only. Okay. In I method, so we are going to multiply these two numbers. So when we multiply, so 5 into, so here root 2 into root 2 is nothing but root of 4, right? So equal to, so 5 into root of 4 is nothing but 2, because it is a square number. Then 5 2s are 10. Okay, and the middle number here 7 is there, so 7. So what are the factors of 10? So only two factors, that is 10 into 1 and another one 2 into 5. So which one you have to take here? So 10 into 1 is not possible, because when we subtract and add, 7 is not possible to get. And what about 2 and 5? So 2 and 5. Okay, so here no need to put in front of in front of these two numbers any one of the number plus minus, because here everything positive values only. So the top of the value and bottom value, everything positive sign only. Therefore keep this as positive. Okay. Now when you multiply 5 2s are 10, when we add 7. So these are the required factors. Now in front of x square which number is there? So root of 2 is there. So divided by root of 2. So root of 2 and divided by here root of 2. So here it is not possible to divide because different numbers are there. And what about here? So the same number but here within the square root, the denominator value. So is it possible to simplify? Definitely, because this 2 can be written as 2 equal to root of 2 into root of 2. Okay, and here in division 1 root 2 is there. So divided by root of 2. So 1 root 2 get cancelled. So the remaining is nothing but root of 2. So when we cancel these two, we'll get root of 2 in the numerator. Right? So that is the procedure to simplify these kind of numbers. Okay. Now add x with this. So x, so here root 2 is there. So x plus root of 2 into x plus 5 divided by root of 2 equal to 0. Now put separately 0 here. So x plus root of 2 equal to 0, and another one x plus 5 by root of 2 equal to 0. So what will happen here? So x, when we transpose this into right hand side, it will become minus root of 2. Minus root of 2. What about here? So x equal to, and when we transpose this to right hand side, it will become minus 5 divided by root of 2. So these are the two solutions of the given quadratic equation. So x equal to minus root of 2. This one 2 only. So x equal to minus root of 2 and x equal to minus 5 by root of 2. Right, look at the last one. So okay, 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is there. So in I method is there, means how can you multiply these two? So when you multiply these two, again you will get, what will happen? 2 into 1 by 8 means, so here 1 time, here 4 time, we will get again 1 by 4 only here. Right? So just any fraction coefficients is there, means take LCM or multiply the fraction number, that is the denominator numbers, through the equation. So here 8 is there, so multiply this equation throughout with 8. That's it. That is two more numbers in the denominator, means take LCM and multiply the LCM. Okay. So when you multiply throughout with 8 means it will become, so 16 x square and minus 8x and plus 8 divided by 8 equal to 8 into 0, 8 into 0. Okay, I multiply throughout with 8. So this 8 get cancelled. So 1 will come. So 16 x square minus 8x plus 1 equal to 8 into 0, 0. Okay, now in the top of 5, what will come here? So in the top of 5, now multiply these two. 16 into 1, 16. And in the bottom of 5, minus 8 is there, minus 8. So what are the factors of 16 now? So 4 4s are 16 and 16 into 1, 16. Okay. So 4 4s are 16 is possible. Okay. So here positive symbol is there, but down symbol negative is there. So that just add in front of both of the factors as minus, because minus into minus plus, when we multiply we'll get plus 16, but when we add we'll get minus 8 here. Okay, and in front of it 16 is there, so divided by 16. 16, 16. So simplify this now. Here 1 time, here 4 times. Similarly here 1 time, here 4 times. Now what are the square roots now? What are the solution now? So x minus 1 by 4 and into x minus 1 by 4, the same. 1 by 4 equal to 0. So when we simplify this separately, x equal to 1 by 4. And similarly here also x equal to 1 by 4. So here both the solutions are same here. So that is the procedure to solve the quadratic equation using factorization method. So I think everyone of you understood whatever we have seen in today's video. So if you not understand, go through once again. Otherwise, ask me, I will clear it out. So let us meet into the next session. Thank you.